Good afternoon class. Today we discuss next topic flower, introduction of flower and its parts. Flower is the reproductive part of a plant. It may or may not be attached to the stem by means of a long stalk called pedicel. The tip of pedicel is slightly filamented and is called thalamus. The part of flower. A typical flower has four main parts: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. The main part of flower is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Gynoecium has stigma, style and ovary, and androecium has anther and filament. Now we discuss about calyx. Calyx is outermost first hole of a plant flower. It usually green in color. It consists of green leaf-like structure called sepal. These sepals enclose and protect the flower in the bud stage. Now we discuss corolla. Corolla is the second inner hole of a flower. It consists of brightly colored, large and scented structure called petals. They protect the outer essential core of a flower and help in pollination. Again I repeated, corolla is the second part of flower, second hole of flower. It grows inside the calyx and consists of petals which protect the reproductive hole at the bud stage. Now you already seen in this diagram the innermost part of the flower is gynoecium and green in color sepals. Now we discuss about androecium. Androecium is the third hole of flower, consists of anther and filament. It consists of anther and filament. It also consists of stamens, which are male reproductive part of flower. Stamens may be free or joined. A stamen has thin stalk-like filament. A stamen has a thin stalk-like filament with an anther at the tip. Anther is present at the tip of filament. Anther is present at the tip of filament. Anther has pollen, a powdery substance which will rub off your finger if you touch or break the anther. You already seen in this diagram stigma and stamen. Now we discuss about gynoecium. Gynoecium also called pistil. It is the fourth innermost hole of a flower. It consists of one or more carpels. These carpels are the female reproductive part of a flower. Carpels may be free or joined. Carpels consist of ovary, style and stigma. It consists of ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is a swollen flash-like structure at the base of carpel. You are seen in this diagram. Ovary is a swollen flash-like structure at the base of carpel. Sepal, which is green in color, above the sepals, ovary is present. Now it connected to a tube-like style which has slightly thickened tip, which is stigma. Thank you class.